Hello everyone, I am Poonam Vohra and I welcome to each one of you to the Question of the Day series where you get one competency-based question daily covering macroeconomics, Indian economic development, microeconomics and statistics. Today's question is a numerical from Measures of Central Tendency in Statistics. So get ready to test your numerical skills. Let's get started. Have a look at the question. The following table shows the distribution of marks scored by students in a test. You need to calculate the median marks. Marks scored are the class intervals given as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 70 and 70 to 100. Number of students are 5, 15, 35, 60 and 75. So one can observe that the class intervals are unequal and the number of students, which is a frequency, is cumulative frequency. Let's have a look at the solution step by step. In the question, you have noticed that marks scored are in class intervals which are unequal and number of students are frequency, and here it is given as cumulative frequency. So the first step is find a simple frequency, and I hope all of you are aware of the procedure to find simple frequency from the cumulative frequency. And we find that simple frequency is 5 students scored between 0 to 10 marks, 10 students scored between 10 to 20 marks, 20 students scored between 20 to 40 marks, 25 students scored between 40 to 70 marks, and 15 students scored between 70 to 100 marks. Now, second step is to find the median value. Median class is the class where n by 2 is 75, which is the total frequency. It is 37.5. Then you need to see where does it lie. 37 to 5 lies in the class interval 40 to 70. Step 3 is apply the formula. Median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into H or I, where L is the lower boundary of the median class, which is 40, n is 75, cumulative frequency before the median class is 35, frequency of the median class is 25, H or I is the width of the class interval, which is 30. Substituting the values, you get 40 plus 37.5 minus 35 by 25 into 30. By having such calculations, we get median as 43. This is the most important aspect of the numerical, where you need to provide the inference of what you have found. You have found median marks as 43. What does it mean? It means that 50% of the students scored below 43 marks and 50% of the students scored above 43 marks. This value provides the central tendency of the distribution even with unequal class intervals. Providing inference is a must. For numerical question, remember that 1 mark is always devoted for writing the formula correctly. 2 marks are given if your calculations are correct, and marks gets deducted if there is any wrong calculation anywhere. And inference is a must, and 1 mark is devoted for writing the inference correctly. That's how it is distributed. And I hope you have understood well that though finding answer is not difficult, but at the same time you don't score full marks. despite answering it correctly. It is because of this reason that marks are distributed to different steps. So follow these steps and keep practicing answering numericals in this manner. Stay curious and join me tomorrow for another exciting question in the series. Till then, stay motivated and keep learning. See you in the next session. Thank you.